Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stuff on Canva. First, let's pinpoint your niche. Think about what you're passionate about and what problems you can solve for others. Research current design trends and see what's in high demand. Focusing on a specific target audience, like small business owners or event planners, will help you create products they truly need and love, making your selling journey much more effective. Now, let's dive into creating your products. Canva offers thousands of templates and design elements to get you started. Focus on making high-quality, customizable digital items such as social media templates, ebook covers, or printable planners. Remember, your designs should not only look great, but also be super easy for your customers to personalize. This user-friendliness is key to happy buyers and repeat business. Once your designs are ready, it's time to price and list them. Research similar products to set competitive prices that reflect your value. You'll need a platform to host and sell your creations, such as Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Craft engaging product descriptions that clearly outline the benefits and features, helping potential customers understand exactly what they're getting and why they need it. Finally, let's talk about getting your amazing products seen. Promote your digital creations across social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Engage with your target audience by sharing valuable content and building a community around your brand. Don't forget to use search engine optimization, or SEO, in your listings to help potential buyers easily discover your unique Canva designs. This will drive traffic and boost your sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.